Okay, the next construction is to draw a triangle when you're given the length of 3 of the sides of the triangle. So in this case, the example that we're going to do is draw a triangle ABC, where AB, or the length of the side from A to B, is 6 centimeters, the length of BC is 5 centimeters, and the length of AC is 4 centimeters. Now, we'll be doing a few more triangles over the course of the next few days, and every time we do a triangle one, what I would advise you to do first is to draw a little sketch of what you think the triangle is going to look like first of all. So in this case, it's reasonably straightforward. In the other ones, it's more useful to have the sketch than in this case, but we'll get into the habit of drawing the sketches anyway, hopefully. So to draw the sketch, I know it's going to be a triangle with 3 points on it, or 3 vertices, A, B, and C. And I just need to pick out, first of all, I like to start with what the base is going to be. Now, when I'm drawing it, I think I'm going to pick the longest side to be the base. You don't have to do this at all. I mean, draw it any way you wish yourself, but I prefer to have the longer side as the base. So then, in this case, if I was drawing a sketch, if the longest side is AB, I'd put an A here and a B here, and your C must be somewhere here. And that's my sketch, really. No ruler, no nothing, just very rough. A, B, C, and then you mark out on the sketch all the relevant dimensions. So AB we said was 6 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeters, so B to C is 5 centimeters. And AC is 4 centimeters, so 4 centimeters here. So the first thing I like to do for any triangle I'm drawing is to do the base first. And I think it's handiest because you draw the base at the bottom of your page and then everything else goes above, and you know you'll have enough room to draw everything else above. So the first thing I'm going to do to draw the base is I need a line segment which is 6 centimeters long. So I'm going to do what we did above here. I'm going to draw a line which is longer than 6 centimeters, and then I'm going to draw an arc to create the 6 centimeter line segment then. Okay, so I'm just going to pause to draw the longer construction line first. Okay, so I've drawn the long construction line here first. I'm going to write A here in a moment, and I'm going to get my compass to draw an arc here to find out where B would be along this line segment that I've drawn. So, getting my ruler. I know I want this to be 6 centimeters. Now, hopefully I did it earlier, so hopefully it's still the correct length. So going from 2 here to 8, oops. Yeah, that's about right for me. So I'm going to put the point of the compass, switch hands here for a second. I'm going to put the point of the compass down here, where A should be. Then I'm going to draw an arc here. And then at this stage, I'm going to write in the first 2 letters I've got there. That's going to be A, and this over here is going to be B. Okay, just like my sketch. I'm just following my sketch up here. This I can write in as 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters, sorry, down there. And now I'm ready for my next step. Now, my next step is going to involve drawing arcs again. An arc which is 5 centimeters long here. I'm going to place the point of my compass at B, and I'm going to draw an arc which is 5 centimeters long. Then I'm going to place the point of my compass at A and draw an arc which is 4 centimeters long. And where those 2 arcs intersect should be the point C. And once I have that intersecting point, I'll use my ruler to join C to A and to join C back to B. So the arcs first, I'm going to pause this so I can measure 5 centimeters on my compass. Okay, so again, all I did was move my compass along until I'd measured 5 centimeters. As we can see there, it's going from 8 to 3, which is 5 centimeters. I don't have the start of my ruler here to start at 0, so I have to use different numbers. So 5 centimeter one is the one going from B to C, so I'm going to place the point of my compass at B here and draw an arc. Nice size arc, it's just a construction line. There we go. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the size of my compass. I'll try and do this while I'm holding the phone, but it'll probably be a disaster. It will be a disaster. I'm going to pause this. Okay, so I've measured 4 centimeters. So again, just to show you, it goes from 8 to 4 there. And I'm going to draw an arc. from A, because the 4 centimeters is from A to C. So from A, I'm going to draw an arc up this way again, and it doesn't have to be too long as it cuts the original arc that I drew. Then I know that this point up here, you see, I know that it's definitely a distance 4 from A, and I know that if it's on the other arc I drew, then it's also a distance 5 from B. So this point here where they intersect must be point C. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write C in there first of all. That's C, and then I'm going to use my ruler to join C back to A and C back to B and write in the dimensions, and then I'll be done. And that's it. We've got our triangle ABC, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters, and leave all your construction lines. Don't ever rub them out. They tell the examiner what you did and that you used the right method when you were constructing your triangle.